haymakers, builders, and DIY dreamers. Today, we're diving into 15 top-rated woodworking tools on Amazon that'll transform your workspace from good to genius. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned craftsman, these picks are all about precision, safety, and pure creative joy. Let's get into it. Number 1. The Carpenter's Square is one of the most versatile tools in woodworking, and the Preciva 12-inch model highlights why. At its core, a square helps you establish accurate reference lines, whether you're marking a 90-degree cut, laying out angles, or checking the squareness of a joint. What makes this version stand out is its 1/16-inch scale, which allows for finer measurements than the more common 1/8-inch markings. That extra precision can make a noticeable difference when fitting pieces together. Made from aluminum alloy, it's both lightweight and durable, with laser-etched markings that resist wear over time. Beyond simple measuring, it can assist with parallel lines, drilling positions, and even setting the height of a table saw blade. Because of its multifunctional design, it's useful not only in carpentry, but also in construction layouts, classroom demonstrations, and even small handmade projects where accuracy is key. Number 2. The Suzen Dozuki dovetail saw introduces many woodworkers to the Japanese style of cutting. Unlike Western saws, which cut on the push stroke, this tool works on the pull stroke. That difference may seem small, but it changes the entire feel of the cut. Pulling keeps the blade under tension, which allows it to be thinner, lighter, and more precise. The result is less effort, cleaner edges, and greater control, especially when working with hardwoods or delicate joinery. This particular saw has a 7-inch blade with 17 teeth per inch, giving it a fine kerf of just 0.5 millimeters. That makes it excellent for dovetails, tenons, and other joints where accuracy matters. Crafted from high-quality Japanese steel, the blade holds a razor edge, while the handle design balances comfort with tradition. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced craftsman, using a pole saw offers a new perspective on woodworking precision. Number 3. When working with table saws, router tables, joiners, or band saws, safety and control are everything. The Micro-Jig GRRIP block is designed to give woodworkers both. Unlike a standard push block, it uses smart hook technology, small retractable heels that automatically engage at the end of your workpiece. This prevents slipping and keeps your cut steady, especially on longer boards. The block also includes a 90-degree flip guide, which makes it useful for vertical operations like resawing veneers or shaping edges on a router table. Its high-visibility body and ergonomic handle help you maintain a firm, comfortable grip while keeping your hands safely away from the blade. For larger projects, 2 blocks can be connected for added stability, making it easier to guide wide panels or doors. By combining safety features with precise control, this tool helps woodworkers focus on accuracy while reducing risk in the shop. Number 4. The DFM Small Square and Center Finder is a compact but highly practical tool that combines 2 essential functions in woodworking. On one side, it works as a precise mini square, helping you check right angles, mark edges, and ensure accurate layouts on smaller pieces. On the other, it doubles as a center finder, with a 0.34-inch marking hole designed to fit larger pencils. This makes it easy to locate and mark the exact center of dowels, boards, or other stock, which is especially useful for drilling or balance layouts. Because of its size, it's ideal for detailed work where larger squares feel bulky. The laser-etched markings and solid construction give it the accuracy needed for both hobby projects and professional carpentry. Whether you're building furniture, crafting boxes, or working on DIY repairs, this tool simplifies measuring and marking while saving time in the shop. Number 5. The WorkPro 13-inch nail puller is designed for one of the toughest but most common jobs in woodworking and remodeling, removing nails cleanly and efficiently. Its long I-beam handle provides excellent leverage, which means you can pull stubborn or deeply embedded nails with less effort. At the working end, The tool combines a cat's paw digger with a unique rocking head. Instead of relying only on the nail's head, the rocking action grips the shaft and gradually eases the nail out with each motion. This design has two big advantages. It reduces the force needed and minimizes damage to the surrounding wood. The pointed tip can slip under embedded nails, while the rounded rocker surface helps avoid leaving dents on finished surfaces. Made from durable steel with a rust-resistant coating, it's a reliable choice for carpenters, roofers, and DIYers tackling demolition, remodeling, or furniture repair projects. Number 6. The Going Make Shelf Pin Jig is a practical tool for anyone building or modifying cabinets and shelving. Its main purpose is to help you drill evenly spaced, straight holes for shelf pins, which is essential for adjustable shelves. Made from durable aluminum alloy, the jig includes hardened drill guides that keep your bit steady and prevent wandering, ensuring clean and accurate holes every time. One of its advantages is efficiency. The jig allows you to drill 7 1/4-inch holes at once, spaced at 1 1/4 inches apart. For larger projects, multiple jigs can be connected, making it easy to cover long panels without losing alignment. It also offers flexibility with different edge distances, so you can adapt it to various cabinet designs. Whether you're a professional cabinet maker or tackling a DIY home project, this jig simplifies the process, saves time, and helps achieve a polished, professional look. Number 7. The PowerTech Chisel Plane is a compact tool designed for fine detail work where larger planes feel cumbersome. Its flat blade makes it especially useful for trimming wooden plugs, paring down joinery surfaces, or cleaning away dried glue lines that can interfere with a smooth finish. Because of its size, it excels in tight spaces and along flat surfaces where precision matters most. The blade itself is crafted from high-carbon tool steel, hardened for durability and long-lasting sharpness. Paired with a machined aluminum body and a resin-infused maple handle, the tool balances strength with comfortable handling, giving the user steady control during delicate tasks. Unlike traditional full-size chisel planes, which require more experience to master, this compact version is straightforward and user-friendly. With a simple single-screw setup, the blade stays centered and secure, making it accessible for both hobbyists and professionals who need accuracy in small trimming jobs. Number 8. The Leglo mouse sanding blocks are designed to make hand sanding more comfortable and controlled, especially for woodworking, crafts, and even auto body projects. Each block is shaped to fit standard 5-inch sanding discs, so you can use the same abrasives you'd normally put on a random orbital sander. On top, the block has 3 finger slots that give you a secure grip, helping reduce hand fatigue while keeping pressure even across the surface. Made from durable polyurethane foam, the blocks are lightweight yet tough enough for repeated use. The hook and loop base makes swapping sanding discs quick and easy, while also preventing the pad from slipping or rotating during use. Slightly angled sides allow you to reach edges and contours more effectively, making them useful for both flat surfaces and detailed work. Whether you're smoothing wood, finishing drywall, or shaping craft projects, these blocks provide precision with a comfortable feel. Number 9. The King Arthur's Tools Flat Extreme Purple Holy Galahad disc is designed for shaping and smoothing wood with an angle grinder. It has a 120 grit surface, which removes material quickly while still leaving a surface that is ready for finer sanding. This makes it useful for flattening slabs, shaping furniture parts, or refining sculptural projects. A unique feature of this disc is its 6-hole see-through design. As the disc spins, you can actually see the wood surface beneath, so you do not need to stop and lift the grinder to check your progress. This improves accuracy and control, especially on large or detailed work. The disc has a 7/8-inch bore and fits most 4 1/2-inch, 115mm and 125mm angle grinders. It runs safely up to 14,000 revolutions per minute. Number 10. The General Tools Digital Angle Finder ruler combines the functions of a stainless steel ruler and a digital protractor, making it a versatile measuring tool for woodworking and construction. Its 5-inch arms allow you to measure both inside and outside angles, while the digital LCD display makes readings quick and easy to see. One helpful feature is the center check notch, which ensures accurate ruler placement when marking or transferring measurements. The tool also includes a lock function, so once you've found the correct angle, you can hold it in place for consistent cuts. This is especially useful for crown molding, framing, flooring, or custom furniture work where precision is critical. With its swing arm and reverse angle function, the angle finder adapts to a wide range of tasks, even in tight spaces. Compact, accurate, and easy to use, it's a practical tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 11. The Mecurate Digital Angle Gauge and Protractor is a compact measuring tool designed for accuracy and convenience in woodworking, construction, and other trades. It provides precise readings with an accuracy of up to 1/10 of a degree at 0 and 90 degrees, and 2/10 of a degree at other angles. The resolution is fine enough to measure changes as small as 0.05 of a degree, which makes it reliable for detailed setups. A strong magnetic base allows the gauge to attach securely to saw blades, pipes, ducts, or any other steel surface. This makes it especially useful when adjusting table saws, setting bevel angles, or working in positions where holding the tool by hand would be difficult. The large LCD screen with automatic backlight ensures visibility even in dim conditions. Portable and easy to use, it's a practical tool for both professionals and hobbyists who need consistent accuracy. Number 12. The Going Make 3-axis Concealed Hinge Jig Ultra is designed to make cabinet door installation faster, cleaner, and more accurate. It allows you to drill 35mm hinge holes along with the smaller screw holes in one setup, so there's no need to constantly switch drill bits. This saves time and keeps your workflow efficient. The 3-axis guide ensures that every hole is drilled straight and precisely positioned, reducing pressure on the drill and making the process easier. It supports multiple hinge offsets from 2 to 6mm and includes screw hole guides that match the most common concealed hinge patterns. A built-in quick clamp secures the jig firmly to cabinet doors, with an extra clamping block for thicker boards. The standard range covers 0.5 inch to 1 1/4 inches, while the extended block handles up to 1 13/16. A vacuum adapter keeps dust under control, creating a cleaner and safer workspace. Number 13. The Giaribiestike wooden mallet is a traditional hand tool designed for woodworking, carving, and other tasks that require controlled striking. Made from solid beech wood, it offers both durability and a natural hardness that stands up well to repeated use. The mallet measures 12 inches in total length, with a head size of 4.5 by 1.9 by 2.4 inches, and it weighs just over 3/4 pounds. Its surface is polished to reveal a clear, uniform grain, giving it both a smooth feel and a classic appearance. The balance between the head and handle makes it comfortable to swing, allowing for precision when striking chisels or adjusting joints. Unlike metal hammers, a wooden mallet delivers force without damaging tool handles or leaving deep marks on wood surfaces. It's a simple, reliable tool that reflects quality craftsmanship in both design and function. Number 14. The Hardell 90-degree positioning squares are designed to help woodworkers achieve perfect right angles when assembling projects. Each square measures 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, or 14 by 14 centimeters, and is made from high-quality aluminum alloy with stainless steel clamps. The anodized red finish resists rust and corrosion, while CNC machining ensures long-lasting accuracy. Using the squares is simple. Place one in the corner of your workpiece and secure it with clamps. The beveled edges prevent damage to delicate surfaces, while the square itself holds the joint steady, almost like having an extra set of hands. This makes it much easier to keep corners true while gluing or fastening. These positioning squares are versatile enough for boxes, drawers, cabinets, picture frames, and furniture. With precise graduations, they can also double as a small ruler, adding even more value to your woodworking toolkit. Number 15. The Preciva 12-inch woodworking square ruler is a versatile layout tool designed for accuracy and convenience in the workshop. Its stainless steel blade features notch spacing every 1/16 of an inch, with extra fine 1/32 inch spacing in the middle 2 inches for detailed measurements. This makes it especially useful when precision is critical. In addition to straight measuring, the ruler includes marking holes for 10 common angles, ranging from 10 degrees to 90 degrees. A built-in scribing needle allows you to mark lines quickly and consistently. For added stability, the tool has a retractable metal edge that helps keep the ruler steady against the edge of your workpiece. The laser-calibrated scale is clear, scratch-resistant, and built to last. With its combination of durability and multifunction design, this square is well-suited for carpentry, construction, furniture making, or even mathematical and craft projects that demand accuracy.